Hey there. You know what they say, hindsight vision is always 2020. So once something has happened, it is very easy to analyze it, and it's very very difficult to um, do this analysis in during the live markets. But still, I guess it is important because it helps you be mentally prepared to trade the next day. So this is an exercise that I've been doing for some time, and I thought I'll just share it here on YouTube, and hopefully I think you guys would also benefit from it. So here we have a 15-minute chart of Bank Nifty, and the first thing I want to mark are these spikes that you see. This is formed on the 29th, I guess, and this right, I think on the 30th end. So these are the two spikes that were there, this and this, that didn't get tested, right? So then we had a move on the third, which was a dull move that probably ended here, but it didn't actually test this. So I was actually expecting this to overshoot this particular spike to take short positions, right? And you can also see a wedge formation, the best wedge in the world. But yeah, I can see the wedge formation. So whenever there's a wedge, you can expect two legs down. So that's the reason I was hoping to get short here. And thankfully, during the first few minutes of the market, you could see the huge green candle that overshot this. I think some bulls might have got trapped there, and then the move down happened as planned. So I mean, it's a measured move down at a minimum of this size of the wedge. In case we go now to the 5 minute chart, I think it's more, I mean, it's clearer here, right? So, again, you can see the wedge formation, which is, I mean, this is probably classical wedge formation. You have three pushes up, one, two, and three, and there you go. So, this is a good wedge that you have, and again, the test of the upper extreme. And once this test is done, the only extreme that was left, was the lower extreme down here, right? So, right. So I think, most of us could have used this as the signal bar and this as the entry bar with the stop loss here. So I guess, with the stop loss here, and this could be the entry bar. We can probably buy at the end of this bar, and then you get a good move down. Um, Again, if you could just see, there is a good movement down, and then there is a bear flag formed here. So I think it was a very good measured move today. You can measure this move. That's 404 points before the flag formation, and it roughly to the tick. You can see 404 points again down from the flag down. So anyone who's an option buyer probably could have squared off when they saw these bull candles up, and then probably again taken a short position, maybe somewhere here. That could have been profitable. So what this also means is that you have completed your two legs down for the day, right? So you completed your leg down here, and this is a leg up, right? This is a leg up, and this is a leg down. I mean, this is a pullback down for the leg up. So I guess and this is not a very strong up leg. So, and the pullback is pretty strong. So tomorrow we can expect the market to go slightly higher. If it opens sideways, if it is opening with a gap up, most definitely you can count on this particular extreme being tested. I've also, marked in the 1 minute charts that people use, but this chart is extremely. I mean, it's full of signals wherever you look at. Again, but just for the sake of practice, um, if you take a look, you can go through the same motions here. I had noted some things down for the video, but I don't recall it anymore. So yeah, so one push down, two push down, three pushes down. So that's a three push down pattern. Then you can see an up move, one push up, two push up, three pushes up. After three pushes up, again you see a down move, and yeah, I wouldn't trade 1 minute. Um, I mean, it's good to see if the market is choppy or sideways, but during days of momentum, I stick to 5 minutes charts and use 15 minutes charts as reference. Again, though we may think, oh, it's moved 600 points odd, right? You can see it's still a small range move that's been happening since I think 28th, 28th, 29th of December. So we're stuck here. So sell from here at resistance, buy from here at support, and a lot of action in between. Again, sell from here, coming down. So I think this would probably, I think it would overshoot this because we've had the completion of the leg up. So this is the first leg down, which is, awesome. And this is a pullback to that. And we could probably have a second leg down from here. A measured move down till here to test this extreme, right? So of course, there could be movement up, there could be movement down. This move down is almost confirmed 684 points down, but the question is when it will happen. So it could happen in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, god knows. And eventually I guess we would be testing this too. There's no point being bearish or bullish when you're day trading. So you can just see what is in front of you at the time and do the best that you can. So I guess that's it for today. I hope to do the same thing tomorrow, try to build up discipline, and hopefully I'm of help. And of course, if you see some mistakes in my analysis, it would be very nice for you to share your feedback. Bye for now.